Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 12 mini. So for that we will need the power button and the volume up button. Press these both buttons just for short for the same time and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now on the screenshot here, you are able to crop maybe a part if you want, or you can also paint something inside here, draw something inside. And if you're ready with, you can go here on done, or you can also share it here directly. So let's go on done and save it to the photos or directly to the files. I would recommend to you to save it to the photos. Okay, and after we will see our screenshots, of course, here at the photos, and the screenshots have an own folder here named screenshots. Here it is. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.